Hello. Time to tell you a little bit about a novella that I wrote in the 1980s. It's gotten nowhere because I haven't promoted it and otherwise have gone through all kinds of various alleys dealing with this text. Finally, it has gotten under my control and is on Kindle, but unfortunately it has to be priced above my usual $2.99 in order to make it consistent with the other version of it, which is even higher priced, published elsewhere on the internet, and you're not allowed to offer all the good things that come with Kindle, discounts and everything, and borrows and everything, in terms of if you have published the book elsewhere, if it's available. It's available elsewhere at a higher price with a different title. This is called Car Crash. And it is the first anti-automobile fiction, certainly available in Boston, where it takes place, and maybe generally. It is a tasteless and black humorish and rather funny little novella about the horrendous reality of the automobile, and it introduces a version of the character of Adam Panflix, which you could say is me in my visceral anti-car mode, because I have been railing against the automobile and its ill effects ever since I studied with Doxiadis in the 1960s, and we published a issue of Renewal magazine with bicycles and bubble rides on the cover, and I got taken out to lunch and told never, ever to write anything negative about cars again. And that's when I realized this is the vulnerable underside of capitalism globally. And we shall overturn it. We're going to overturn it. And Car Crash is a cri de coeur. It's a cry of the heart, aimed against the automobile. That's it.